Are you an entrepreneur or a small business owner who wants to turn your expertise into an online course? If that is you, then make sure that you hit the like button down below, subscribe, and send me an email. In this video, we are going to cover how to turn your expertise into an online course. I know that everybody watching this video is an expert in some sort of topic. I know it's hard to believe, you think you don't know much, or maybe you think you know a lot and you just don't know where to start because you have too many ideas. Let's help you narrow down those ideas, or let's help you grow some ideas and get confident in your skills and identify that particular topic that you should be teaching in your online course.
Number 1, what should I teach in my online course?
You see, your audience is already in existence. It is dying to hear from you because everyone watching this video has an expertise in a particular subject area or in a particular topic. You know, there are millions of examples that I could come up with. Maybe you have an amazing fashion sense. Maybe you're somebody who has lost weight. Maybe you're a lawyer watching this. Maybe you've started a clothing brand. Maybe you're the first one in your family to have gone to college. Maybe you're somebody who has already started a small business. You're an entrepreneur and your friends and family are asking you how in the world you did it. Maybe you have defied odds and what you've done is even shocking to you. So I want to help you identify what it is that you should be selling. I love asking people questions, and even when I asked other online course creators, how in the world do you identify what it is that you should be selling in your online course? Everyone said, make a list, make a list. And while making a list is really good, there is nothing like being able to speak to somebody one-on-one who you can talk to about your skill set. You still feel like you're kind of lost when you create a list because you're just not really sure what to do next.
Number 2, how much content should I include in my online course?
So if you want to turn your expertise into an online course, you have to know how to do it, right? Are you just going to brain dump all of your knowledge into an outline? Are you just going to record videos and brain dump everything you've ever learned on the topic? Well, no, you're not going to do that. You're not going to do that because people are going to pay for a result, right? So that goal is definitely going to depend on what it is that you're teaching, but you want to only provide them stepping stones that will help them achieve their goal. Some of you might be thinking, well, that sounds like it could be 100 steps. And although there is no predefined number of steps that is considered correct, you certainly don't want to inundate your client or your customer with so much information that they absolutely end up hating your course, which could be a disaster. You want them to enjoy the process. You want them to feel like they are a work in progress and like you are leading them down the right path. So although you might be tempted to share absolutely everything you know, that might not be the right thing to do, which is why I am offering you the opportunity to build your online course with someone holding your hand along the way. So scroll down into the description if you want to speak to somebody about building your online course. In this case, moi.
Number 3,
how in the world am I going to sell my course? I've never actually sold a course. But if you're a business owner and an entrepreneur, then surely you have already sold something in the past, whether it was a product or a service. So you're in a great place to understand how to sell what it is that you sell. So the good news is that you already have practice in selling, period. Now, all you're going to do is transfer some of those sales skills into a platform like YouTube. I have been doing YouTube for quite a few years now. You can see my playlist right here. And I love YouTube. I think that it's a great way for people to get to know you, to understand you, make sure that they feel a connection with you and that they are learning from you, right? Whenever you get to see somebody and hear somebody, you get to decide whether you could have a connection with that person or whether that person would understand you or whether you like the way they explain the lesson or whether you think they can help you with your goals. So YouTube is definitely my preferred platform of choice, and I'm going to teach you the tricks that I have learned these years because let me just tell you that I definitely know a lot more now, 6 years later, and having tried and tested multiple strategies on the YouTube platform.
what do your future business goals look like?
I want you guys to always be thinking about what to do next in your business. Building a business should definitely be an upward trajectory. You shouldn't get complacent and feel like, okay, this is it. It's great when you have something to look forward to as a business owner. And for me, that means getting to know other entrepreneurs and other business owners. And so in helping you turn your expertise into an online course, I also get to know more entrepreneurs on a one-on-one basis, which is something that I really love to do. On top of that, I get to teach you what I've already been through so that you don't have to make the same mistakes that I did.
Of course, I want you to understand how trademarks play a role in forming your online course, so rest assured that information will be included. Where do I get more help?
If you are interested in turning your small business expertise into an online course, then make sure to scroll down into this description and don't forget to catch that video right there.
Don't forget to shop your favorite merch from my Trademark Lawyer store down below. Send me a photo of you repping the merch so I can send you a special gift and you can follow the licensing journey.